Today, I will tell you about a great remedy you can use for hyperpigmentation and dark spots on the face. Some people apply different facial creams and bleaching agents on their skin, which remove these spots, but at the same time, they also destroy the cells that make these pigments. Another big problem is that we think that these spots are caused by excessive exposure to the sun. That is why you are prohibited from going out in the sun. Now, the situation is such that SPF, sunblock chemicals, are being added to every moisturizer and facial cream so that UV radiation can be blocked. If you see sunscreen mixed in any sun cream or face cream, I will never advise you to apply it. If you compare a young person with an older person, then you will not see this problem in young people. This is mostly seen in people who are above 35, 40, or 60 years of age. This is because, with age, this problem increases. Our skin has a natural color compound called melanin. These are special types of cells called melanocytes. These make pigments. Here on the screen, if you look at this cut apple, there is a slight difference in the color of these two, and this color difference is due to oxidation. The one that is clear in color has lemon applied to it, and lemon juice is a powerful antioxidant, and the one that has become brownish has no protection on it, so it has become brown. The same thing happens with our skin as well. Oxidation triggers melanin. Apart from this, pollution and stress also affect it. But the most important thing here, which is important for you to understand, is oxidation, because this is the point that can help you in getting rid of this problem. Now the question arises, what is the opposite of oxidation, antioxidation, i.e., antioxidants? The most interesting thing is that melanin itself is an antioxidant that protects the DNA of the cells, prevents damage. You must have noticed that when you go out in the sunlight during the day, your skin gets a little tanned. The darker the skin color, the more your skin will have filtered UV radiation due to this tan, but it also has another effect. As the skin filters UV rays, the production of vitamin D also decreases because vitamin D is formed in our skin by the interaction of cholesterol and UV radiation. Now, less vitamin D will be produced, and vitamin D helps your melanocytes to avoid oxidation because it is a very powerful antioxidant. Along with this, it regulates melanocytes. The way the body signals it, in the same way, it can increase or decrease melanin. Vitiligo is an autoimmune condition. Instead of hyperpigmentation, there is pigment loss. The production of melanin pigment decreases in some patches of the skin. Now, this condition can be improved very well if you take 20,000 to 0 IU of vitamin D3 daily. There is research on this. Vitamin D directly influences the cells that make melanin. If there is enough vitamin D in your skin, only then will your melanocytes be able to continue their normal function. But if you keep following the same general recommendations of not going out in the sun and applying sunblock all the time, then your vitamin D will keep getting low. Now, I will recommend two things. One is a quick fix that you can do immediately. One is a very safe and effective home remedy, which I will talk about in detail now. And the second most important thing is that you fulfill your vitamin D level. This means that you must take at least 10,000 international units of vitamin D3 every day. Apart from this, I will also recommend that you make the antioxidant networks in your body strong. To make these networks, you need high-quality protein and amino acids, which you can get from fish, eggs, and meat. Along with this, trace minerals are also very important, such as zinc, copper, and iodine. You can get these minerals from seafood. Along with this, you should also take B vitamins. You also need vitamin C and vitamin E, which will help you in strengthening this antioxidant network. Now let's move towards the fix by which you can improve your skin tone instantly. And this remedy is simple: unsweetened sour curd. But keep one thing in mind here. Do not use the curd from the box. You need slightly sour curd without sugar. You can make it at home, or you can also buy it from the market. Now, to use it, you just have to rub the curd on your skin for 5 minutes. After applying it properly to the entire skin, you have to leave it for 5 minutes, and then you wash it with water. If you do this only once a week, then it is enough. Some people do this even 3 times a week, but it depends on how serious your skin condition is. Now, what is that thing in curd that works? It has a very powerful ingredient: acid. The biggest work of lactic acid is that it dissolves the bonds present in between the dead skin cells and comes out. Then, in the curd, probiotics are an ecosystem of microbes present all over our skin, called the microbiome. These friendly microbes protect the skin.